Hi friends, welcome back in our series of vscode extensions. In this video we will know about funny error tracking extension in which image will change on the basis of number of errors in your code. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. So for adding an extension, click on extensions, search your face. Here you will get that extension. Click on install. Here the extension is added. Click on that face icon. Here it is showing 0 error. Let's check how it is work and it is working or not. I have opened a PHP file. So for checking it, click on that face icon. Here it is showing 0 error and a happy face. Now let's add a extra bracket and save file, and see guys, the face is changed, and that how the error will increase, the face will change. Thank you guys. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. And I am creating a playlist on mind-blowing VS Code extensions. So if you are interested, then please check out that playlist. I will provide the playlist link in description. Thank you guys.